Welcome to a GCSE high tier exam question on inverse proportion. Q is inversely proportional to the square of t. When t equals 4, Q equals 8.5. Find a formula for Q in terms of t. Now if Q was directly proportional to the square of t, I would be writing Q is a constant multiplied by t squared. But if Q is inversely proportional to the square of t, I'm writing Q is a constant divided by t squared. So I'm going to write Q is equal to K over t squared. Now K is my invention to represent the constant divided by t squared. This information here will allow me to calculate the value of K. If we substitute these values in, 8.5 for Q is equal to K over, substitute the 4 for t, so that's 4 squared. So we have 8.5 is equal to K over 16, 4 squared, which means that K is 8.5 multiplied by 16. Let's use a calculator. 8.5 multiplied by 16 is 136. So 136 is equal to K, which means I can now write this formula explicitly without using this unknown constant K. I can say Q is equal to, instead of K, I can write 136, because I know that's what K is now, over t squared. And that's the formula. Now calculate the value of Q when t is 5. Well, when t is 5, Q will be 136 divided by 5 squared, just substituting the 5 for the t, which is 136 divided by 25. (136) divided by 25 is 5.44. And that completes the question.